Today, Sarah and I were really craving something sweet, and we came across this wonderful recipe. They're pumpkin chocolate chip bars by Gaby, but we realized we were missing some cloves, powdered cloves, so that's why we crushed them right here. And now we're gonna get a bit of this out and add it to all the spices that are needed for the recipe. There we go. We'll place it right in here with the rest of these spices, and we're ready to get started. So what do we have here? We have some cinnamon, some baking soda, some allspice, ginger, and then the cloves. We're gonna put these all right in here and mix all the dry ingredients up thoroughly. We'll also add the salt and mix everything up. We can set this aside and prepare the rest of the ingredients. Here we're gonna place the butter, which is at room temperature, right in here, as well as the sugar. And we will cream everything nicely together. Once in a while, we're gonna lift it up and just clean the edges and then mix it some more. You can already see that it's starting to really get well incorporated. To this, we will add the pumpkins. And this is just from a can. Put all this in here, as well as 1 egg and the vanilla. Here's the vanilla. And now 1 egg. We'll bring all these ingredients together as well. Now that everything is well combined, we're gonna put the dry ingredients in and mix it just until it's nicely combined. Very gently turn it on. Oh, it is smelling so incredibly good right now. Last but not least, the chocolate chips, and we're gonna reserve some for the top. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. Mix these in as well. And this is it. We are ready to place it into the pan. We greased our pan, and now we're going to transfer this beautiful dough right in here and spread it out. Try to even it out so that there is the same amount everywhere. And now to top it off, we're gonna sprinkle the rest of our chocolate chips right on here. Oh wow. There we go. This is ready to go into the oven. It is time to put these wonderful chocolate bars in here. Close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. This is the burning chamber, and the oven has been heating up for a while, and now all we need is a small piece of wood to keep the temperature going. Time is up. Here they are. We're going to take them out, allow them to cool, and then cut them up and enjoy them. They have been able to cool, and now we're just gonna kind of eyeball it about here. Yeah, come down this way, and then at this point we'll be able to cut them into bars about, let's see, yeah, about this big. Nice. They smell so good, and they're still kind of warm, and we can't wait to dig in. And finally, here comes the best part. Whoa, look at it. Looks beautiful. And look at this melted chocolate inside. And this is going to be so fun to be able to serve. And now, all that is left to do is to wish you buon appetito.